Now imagine this situation. You have sales data, but it's incomplete. You only have product names, but your manager asks, what is the product category? What is the price? What is the profit margin? And that's what the data exists, but in the another sheet. Let share again. These are the entries over here. Now to get the details, prices. Okay, suppose this is the dollar sign I will be adding over here. This is the prices for the specific product. Need couple of entries from here. Okay, first to see those entries as well in one specific sheet. Okay, I'll just delete it. Now the problem is we need to bring a category and price into a main data set, which is this. Doing this manually is impossible at a scale, right? Sometimes your data, this kind of data can be in next sheet. I'll do a control X from here. I'll paste it here and blank entries I will get from here. Okay. This is the real life scenario I'm explaining over here. So what we need a category and price, right? Next to this. So what I'm going to do, it's a very simple task. Okay. Since we are discussing this task over here, I'll do a is equal to, and let's say X lookup over here and select this, comma, lookup array. Okay. So I'll just go here and let's select this entire selection, comma. What we need a category first, right? So I just simply select this category, right? Comma. If not found, please validate. I'll add this kind of text over here and I'll close this and hit a enter button over here. Let's do a control and then press control D, which formula will show you like this. Perfect. So now let me just check saying please validate. Okay. Here also it's saying that please validate, which means the formula is not really working fine. So why? What is exactly the issue? Okay. So if you see the selection is going somewhere else, right? So in that particular case, you have to freeze this. So lookup array, you have to freeze it. Function key, press F4 and hit a enter button. Again, let's go here. Function key F4. Simply press this and hit a enter button. Now you can just double click over here and you see the result over here. Right? Always remember you have to add this optional text. This will help you to identify what exactly the formula went wrong. Now again, we'll show you the cost kind of thing, right? How you can import a cost from the next sheet to here. Let's do a XLOOKUP over here and always follow XLOOKUP. VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is fine, but those are old now. Okay, don't go with VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Now advance yourself with a future, folks. Okay, let's select this again, laptop, comma. Now what we need to match this, right? First we have to match this. It will match up the value, comma. What we are expecting, the return array, it's been written over here. Okay, so which is price. Simply select this, comma. Let's say, please validate. Okay, and once it is done, we'll hit a enter button. And again, if I do it, double click over here, it will ask me the error. Cool. As you know, the selection has been moved here and there. So that's what we have to apply the freeze over here. Okay, so freeze is important. So simply select this, press function key F4 here. Likewise, select this function key F4 here as well, and then hit a enter button. The moment you're done with this, simply double click over here and you see the result has been imported automatically. This is the result what we need here. Let me break this down. XLOOKUP does three things. Okay, first it's finding a value. Okay, matches it and return the corresponding result. And it works left to right, right to left, no column limitations. In real companies, sales teams map product details, finance teams map pricing, analysts combine multiple data sets. This is used every single day. Now we can calculate revenue properly. Okay, we can add revenue is equal to sales into a quantity if quantity really exists. If in case you want to add a quantity, okay, here next to the product like this, Suppose I will be adding a randoms value over here. Okay. And I want to calculate that revenue. I'll just simply say this into this. Okay. And this is the result which I'm getting over here. Perfect. This is how the revenue calculation you can do over here. This is the insights you have available. Now we can connect data sets. But what if your manager asks you, give me the total sales by region? Right now, no formulas, no data. That's where the next tool becomes extremely powerful.